Good morning, student. Class 8, subject computer, lesson number 7, networking and e-commerce. Okay, my dear student, everyone open your course book. Lesson number 7, networking and e-commerce, page number 96. When computer networks did not exist, people would have to write down or type data and manually transfer data to another computer. Given the increasing importance and great expense of computer in the earlier 1960s and the advent of the time spread computers, it was naturally to consider the questions of the to hook computers together so that they could be shared among graphically distributed users. In the late 1960s, the ideas of the building a communication network was conceived at the ARPA in USA. The Intel ARPA was a single closed network. In the early to mid 1970, additional network beside ARPA net came into being. Aloha, ALOHA net, a satellite network linking together universe on the Hawaiian Islands. Talented, Timented and Transpect, a French network, came into existence, pioneering work on interconnecting network once again under the sponsorship of DARPA is essential. Creating a network of networks was done by the Winton Craft and Robert E. Kane. The term interneting was coined to describe this work. Types of networks. Based on the size of the span of the network, networks are divided into the following categories. PAN. This stands for Personal Area Network. In a PAN, these devices, which can be computers, mobile phone, printers, hub, etc., are kept within a radius of few meters from each other. The devices involved in PAN can be connected to each other by cable or by wireless media, as in Bluetooth. Some actions we can have with PAN is sharing songs from a mobile to another by Bluetooth. We may also transfer songs from a laptop to a mobile. Second, LAN. This stands for Local Area Network. This is a kind of network that spans about a kilometer. This kind is installed in a company, building, school, or campus. LAN consists usually of a central server that is connected to several other computing devices. Sometimes each computer lab in a school has spread LANs. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. This kind of network spans about a few kilometers. This types of network is installed in different branches of an office in same city. Fourth, WAN. This stands for Wide Area Network. The WAN may span thousands of kilometers and can be encompass the entire world. The internet is considered to be a network of computers in the world and called a WAN. Evidently, WAN can span countries and even continents. Need for computer network. For the following reasons, computer networks are used. First, sharing of resources. A resource that is kept in a computer can be shared by the computers connected in network to this computer. In the absence of network, the data needs to be copied from the one computer to another by means of the some other media other than network cable. Second, reliability. If one computer in a network goes down due to a hardware failure, the work can be pulled on to some other computers. This way the process will continue in a spite of an undesirable computer failure. Third, financial benefits. Small computers PC have a better price performance ratio compared to large computer. For this reason, the companies prefer many small computers working in a network when compared to large mainframe computer. As an example, a large mainframe computer can be work 10 times faster but cost 100 times more. Network topologies. Topology of a network is the wired layout on the various devices of the network with respect to each other. Some common topologies are linear bus, ring and star. First, linear bus topology. Linear or bus topology in network looks like as given in the alongside figure. As in the figure, all the nodes with computers and peripheral device are connected to a signal backbone cable. The connection between computer takes place via the backbone cable. However, will fail. The interior network goes down and become useless. Second, ring topology. In case of ring topology, the computers are connected to a circular chain. Data flows in the chain in one direction alone. The ring topology looks like as seen in the figure alongside. Damage to the cable will cause the interior network to go down. Third, star topology. In the star topology, all the nodes are connected to a central hub switch. If a cable connecting the computer and the hub switch gets faultily, only the particular node goes down but other computer will still work. How the internet works? The internet works by the standardizing the process by which data is sent, processed and received, not necessarily in that order. The rules by which data is handled for the network transmission are called protocol. In a network, computer that are connected to the network are assigned an address. This address is known as the IP address. This IP address help designate the sender and the intended receiver of the packet being carried through the network. On the other hand, there is another protocol called TCP by which the packets are transmitted over the network. TCP stands for Transmissions Control Protocol. IP stands for Internet Protocol. The message to be sent over the network is broken down into smaller packets if required. Each smaller packet is sent over the network with many layers of information added to the packet. These layers are removed from the received data one by one. After the receiver receives the data, it must rearrange the data since they were broken up at the source. In the case some packets of the sequence does not reach the destinations, the destination machine will order a resend of data. Hardware requirements for computer networks. Some hardware requirements for computer network are network interface card NIC. This is usually part of the motherboard. It helps computer to connect to the network. Registered jack 45 RJ45. This is an 8 wire connector. It is used to connect the hub switch to the nodes. Example, the computing device. Hub. A hub connected several devices to each other. The hub makes the devices act like they are part of a single network segment. The computer uses the NIC to send data to the hub. The hub redirects the data to all computers connected to it. For a given data, the intent destination device accept the data and other device reject it. Switch. A switch is called intelligence hub. A switch is capable of checking the sources, the destination of the packets. The data transfer rate is conserved while delivering message. Modem. The word modem stands for modular, demodular. It is used to convert digital signals into its analog form and vice versa. The process of conversion of the digital signal to analog signal is known as modulations. Conversion of the analog signal to digital signal is known as demodulations. Modem is also useful in amplifying the signal so that it can travel large distance without weakening. E-commerce. Nowadays, internet and computer are used to buying, selling, and even other types of commercial activities. They are the modern analogs of shops, office, bank, etc. Many websites that cater to the purpose of buying, selling, verifying, or just viewing of the goods have international presence and deliver bought goods in innumerable countries. Most people think e-commerce means online shopping, but web shopping is only a small part of the e-commerce picture. The term also refers to online stock, bond transactions, buying and downloading software without even going to a store. In addition, e-commerce includes business to business connections that make purchasing easier for big corporations. While there is no one correct definition of e-commerce, it is generally described as a method of buying and selling product and service electronically. The main vehicle of the e-commerce remain the internet and the World Wide Web, but use of email, fax, and telephone orders are also prevalent. Technology of e-commerce. While many technologies can fit within the definition of electronic commerce, the most important are electronic data exchanging (EDI), electronic mail, World Wide Web, electronic forms, barcode, internet, product and exchange. Electronic data interchange (EDI). EDI is the computer to exchange of structured business information in a standard electronic format. Information stored on a one computer in translate by the software programs into standard EDI format for transmission to one or more trading partners. The trading partner's computer is turned translate the information using software program into a form they can understand. Barcodes. Barcodes are used for automatic product identifications by a computer. They are the rectangular patterns of lines of varying width and space. Specific character, example numbers 0 to 9, are assigned unique patterns, thus creating a font which computer can recognize based on light reflected from a laser. Electronic mail. Messages composed by an individual and sent in digital form to another recipients via the internet. The internet is decentralized global network of millions of diverse computers and networks. These networks can communicate with each other because they have agreed to use a common communication protocol called TCP/IP. The internet is a tool for communication between people and business. This network is growing very fast, and as more and more people are gaining access to the internet, it is become more and more useful. World Wide Web. The World Wide Web is a collection of documents that are written and encoded using the hypertext markup language HTML with the use of the relatively small piece of software called a browser. A user can ask for these documents and display them on the user's local computer. Although the documents can be on a computer on a totally different network unless where in the world. Product data exchanges. Product data refers to any data that is needed to describe a product. Sometimes that data is a graphical form, as in the case of the pictures, drawings, and CAD computer aided design files. In other case, the data may be character based, number and letter, as in the case of the specifications, bill of the material, manufacturing industry instructions, engines, change notice, and test result. Electronic forms. Electronic form is a technology that combines the familiarity of the paper forms with the power of the storing information in the digital form. Images, an ordinary paper form, a piece of paper with line, box, check off, list, and the place were signatures to the user. An electronic form is simply an digital analog of such an paper form. An image which looks like a form but which appear on a computer screen and it filled out via mouse and keyboard. Behind the screen, however, lie numerous functions that paper and pencil cannot provide. Advantages of e-commerce. First, business hours 24 into 7. Online stores are open 24 into 7 even while you are sleeping. Your customers can visit your store and browse your product and place their orders. Second, global location. Your store is located online. It means everyone with internet connection from a countryside in England to a big city in China to the jungle of the Kalimantan can visit your store without you having retailers on those places. Third, lower transaction costs. With a well implemented online store, you can automate many things by automatize. You can cut cost on areas like documents preparation, error declaration and correction, email order catalog, catalogs, phone call, and labor cost. Fourth, convenient shopping. From your customer perspective, shopping online would be really useful because point 1, they don't need to be physical in the store. They can browser through your product in the pajamas lying lazily on bed. Second point, they save more times and fuel for bicycle. Third point, they can browse through many products within minutes. Fourth point, they can compare price easily. Fifth one, they can choose preferred payment gets way your online store offer. Six, they can provide their important information, example credit card number, more securely. Shopping on the web. We will use the website www.amazon.com to shop online. In this website, there is a large variety of the goods that can be bought. We will use this website to buy a book. First, we log onto www.amazon.com. Second, click on shop by department and view all the category. Third, the following page opens and we may select from a vast category of the books. Click on age 9 to 12 as shown in the below web page. Fourth, a list of books shows up from which you may select. Fifth, click on any book. You will be taken to a new page showing some pricing on the book. 6. In the above, you can see a blue rectangle message box within which Add to Cart is printed for the above book. Click on Add to Cart. Doing this will add the book to your cart. The cart is meant to add items that you buy on Amazon.com. 7. From the above screen, we select Proceed to the checkout. Clicking on this enable us to pay and leave this site. 8. A form appear in which your email address is asked for. Also, it is asked whether you are a new customer. If you are a new customer, click on the checkbox and enter your email address. Next, click on sign in using our rescue server. This will take you to a new screen. It will take you to a form type web page where you must enter your name and password, mobile phone number. Optionally, fill this form and click on create account. 9th, enter your shipping address for the order. Click on continue and whatever your somewhat button of the screen. 10th, enter the shipping options you want for your items, then click continue. 11th, select the payment option and fill the requirement information, then click on continue button. After this the website sends your credit card information to the credit card verifier service. After it is verified, your order is proceed. All the data transfer in encrypted to disallow interception and viewing of the data taking place during this on acceptance of the order. The warehouses of the Amazon are noticed to the order. Then the order is sent to your address through carriage service. Okay, now I think you understand what is the means of internet networking and e-commerce. If you have any confusion, any doubt, you message me in my personal WhatsApp and I will send more one video from the YouTube. Okay, you will check and read the lesson 2 and 3 times. This is the last lesson and 3 lesson will come, okay, in the examination. Okay, see you, bye, Allah Hafiz.